I would be kidding myself if I say right now that I don't expect 2-0 to be the wrong result at the moment in favor of Real Madrid. You brought Keita in the lineup. वही पहले इतना shocking था because Keita has not been playing for you in these past matches. Thiago, who has so much experience of Champions League, you're not using him. You plan to bring something out of the box and you're making Keita play right now. I mean, when you need Thiago the most and you're not using him right now. I mean, what was that? Second thing, something happens to our defense every time we have to play Madrid. Every time we have to play them, something has to happen to our defense. I mean, look at Trent. What is he doing? I mean, what is he doing? And also, if he's doing something really stupid now, what can we do? Do we have somebody to replace him with? Nico Williams लेके आएंगे क्या उस जगह पे? Nico Williams कहाँ से मैच कर पाएगा पेस को यार? क्या होगा? है ही नहीं तुम्हारे पास कोई? यही खिलाओगे ना फिर? 45 minutes into the game, 0 shots, 0 on target. Defense हो नहीं रहा है, possession हो नहीं रहा है, pinpoint passing हो नहीं रही है. I mean, what are we really doing? 2-0 में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. रियल मैड्रिड है, कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ भी क्लब है. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी गुड क्लब. उनके साथ 2-0 कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. But just look at the way you are playing, bro. Just look at it. I mean, why did you have to do that experiment that you had to bring Keita in like in the first half? What did you expect is going to happen in this game? Call it whatever. Maybe it's my negative mind right now. But as soon as I saw the lineup and I saw Keita in and Thiago out, I knew that this is not going to be a good game for us. In second half, I expect one more goal of Madrid. I think it will be 3-0. And then please don't start making videos of that Barcelona wala comeback that जब Anfield में आओगे तुमको पता है Anfield में भी हमारा क्या हाल हो रहा है. So please be realistic. Okay, it's full time and it's 3-1. Like I said, I was expecting one more goal from Real Madrid because of the defense that we had, and thanks to the goalkeeping of Alisson Becker that we gave them the goal. I know Alisson has saved us a couple of times in very crucial stages, but we can't deny the fact that his performance has been decreasing or deteriorating from the past couple of games. Right after Thiago came in, 7 shots, 1 on target, not bad. I mean, itna to hona hi tha, and I don't think that itna easily come back कर पाते. हाँ, अगर वो थर्ड गोल नहीं होता तो शायद ड्रॉ हो जाता. आई थिंक ज़ील इन द टीम ही दिखा जब वो साला वाला गोल हुआ. उसके बाद दिखा ही नहीं, फिर से नहीं दिखा. ओके, प्लीज टेल मी इफ यू थिंक आई एम रॉन्ग, बट आई फील दैट इट हर्ट्स to watch Mane play the way he has been playing now. I mean, you can't keep falling every time. It's not gonna work, bro. It's not gonna work. Don't keep falling now. I mean, whenever he has the ball in that penalty area and maybe Jota is passing to him or Salah is passing to him, and I'm always praying, please don't pass it to him. तुम खुद try कर लो, नहीं हो पाएगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, because Mane does just one thing. मतलब, did he have even one shot on target today? Or maybe he took one shot and not like falling. Mane was my favorite player, and this hurts so much to watch him play like that. Second half was still bearable to watch. At least कुछ तो activity हो रहा था उनके penalty area में. पहले half में तो कुछ दिखा ही नहीं. And there is one thing that I was telling everyone, that Ramos not being there is not something to be happy about, because I know that losing a match without him would be much bitter than anything else. अब तो clear है, Madrid is winning quarterfinals, and there is no comeback. I mean, Liverpool cannot have this comeback. I don't think it is possible at all at this stage. Not possible. Even if they are considering of making a comeback, then I think Klopp would need much more than it is impossible, but it is you guys, so it is possible. I think this is not going to work this time. Okay, I'm signing off. I don't think there is anything left to talk about now.